In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Imageclass MF451dw printer with a Windows laptop. Go to the printer display panel. We have to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of our home. Scroll ahead, click on the wireless LAN setting. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now go to your Windows laptop. Go to the web browser and type in Canon Imageclass MF451dw driver download. Go to the canon.com and click on the Canon support for your printer. Scroll down. Click on the software and drivers. Scroll down. It will display your operating system, that's Windows. You have to select the operating version of the Windows like Windows 10, 11. Scroll down. You will see the first option, recommended, and you will see the second one. Select the second option with the large file size, that is 271 MB, and click on the download. So open file, click yes. That's the download window. You just have to continue the setup process from here. So select your language and click on the next and just agree with the terms and conditions. So we just install the drivers and software in this printer. Once you download that, you are ready to use this printer for printing and scanning. For example, to print, you can just select any document, click on the print, select your printer, Canon MF450 series, and then click on the print icon. Let's see the print result. That's the complete setup of the printer with a Windows laptop or PC. You can also use it for the MacBook, and you can download the drivers for Windows XP, Windows VISTA, Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 laptop. Thanks for watching.